Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000, and I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Maximizing affiliate marketing success, enhancing click-through rates and conversion. In the dynamic world of affiliate marketing, success hinges on 2 pivotal metrics: click-through rate, center, and conversion rate. Both play a crucial role in translating your marketing efforts into tangible revenue. One particularly effective way to boost these metrics is through personalized content. Let's into how personalized content can significantly improve your center and conversion rates, complete with an example demonstrating the potential earnings. The power of personalized content. Personalization is the art of tailoring content to meet the unique preferences and needs of your audience. In a digital landscape saturated with generic advertising, personalized content stands out, fostering a deeper connection with your audience. This connection is key to increasing both center and conversion rates. Why personalized content enhances center? 1. Relevance. Personalized content resonates with your audience as it addresses their specific interests or problems. 1. This relevance naturally encourages more clicks. 2. Engagement. By speaking directly to an individual's needs and preferences, personalized content fosters a higher level of engagement, leading to increased click-throughs. 3. Trust. Personalization builds trust. 3. When your audience feels understood, they're more likely to take the desired action. Implementing personalization in your strategy. 1. Understand your audience. Gather data on your audience's preferences, behaviors, and demographics. 1. Tools like Google Analytics can be instrumental in this phase. 2. Segment your audience. Divide your audience into segments based on common characteristics or behaviors. 3. Tailor your content. Create content that specifically addresses the needs and interests of each segment. A real-life example. Let's consider the case of an affiliate marketer focusing on tech gadgets. After segmenting their audience, they noticed a particular group showed interest in high-performance laptops. They created a series of blog posts and videos tailored to this segment, featuring the Omen Laptop 17. The content highlighted specific features like its NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics and Intel Core i7 processor, which resonated with this audience segment. Results and earnings. 1. Before personalization. Average center, 2%. And conversion rate, 2.5%. Monthly traffic, 50,000 visitors. Affiliate product price, $1,500. Commission rate, 5%. Monthly earnings, $937.50. 2. After personalization. Improved center, 5%. Increased conversion rate, 4. Monthly traffic, 50,000 visitors. Affiliate product price, $1,500. Commission rate, 5%. Monthly earnings, $3,000. This jump from $937.50 to $3,000 in monthly earnings exemplifies the impact of personalized content on affiliate marketing success. Increasing center and conversion rates in affiliate marketing is a multifaceted challenge. Personalized content emerges as a potent strategy in this endeavor. By understanding and addressing the specific needs of your audience, you not only enhance engagement but also build a loyal customer base. As the digital world continues to evolve, the importance of personalization in marketing strategies becomes increasingly paramount. Start implementing personalization today and watch your affiliate marketing metrics reach new heights.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated, faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.